Ever wondered if the Nextdoor app is right for you, or if it's just a digital neighborhood drama waiting to happen? Before diving in, let's explore some key things you should know to ensure a positive and safe experience. First up, privacy. Take a moment to carefully review Nextdoor's privacy settings. Pay close attention to what information is visible to your neighbors and adjust them to your comfort level. Remember, less is often more. Nextdoor uses your address to connect you with your immediate neighborhood. Be aware that this information is shared, at least in part, to verify your residency. Consider the implications of this before proceeding. Neighborhood disputes are unfortunately common on Nextdoor. Be prepared for potential disagreements and try to engage respectfully, even when you disagree. Manage your notification settings. Nextdoor can quickly flood you with updates. Customize what you receive to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Utilize the reporting tools. If you see something that violates Nextdoor's community guidelines, don't hesitate to report it. This helps keep the platform safe and respectful. Finally, remember that Nextdoor is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. By being mindful of privacy, managing expectations, and engaging respectfully, you can have a positive experience and connect with your community. That's all for today.